You need to watch this recipe until the end. It's simple, budget-friendly, and the result is absolutely incredible. We start by finely chopping half an onion. And tell me in the comments, do you like your onion nicely, golden or lighter? I admit, the more golden, the better the flavor. Now let's cut a tomato into half-moon slices. Set both aside and continue. In a pan, add the oil from the can of tuna. That's right, no wasting because this oil is already full of flavor. Use it all. Now saute the onion in this oil and smell that aroma. This is where the recipe already starts to become irresistible. After sauteing well, add the tuna. Mix everything and tell me, where are you watching from? I want to know. Now season with salt to taste and black pepper. Stir well and let it cook a little longer so it really absorbs the flavor. Done, set it aside. In another pot, add a drizzle of olive oil. Then add 1 cup of rice. Salt to taste and water. Let it cook normally. And tell me, do you prefer rice fluffy or more creamy? I like both. It depends on the day. Once the rice is fully cooked, set it aside as well. Now, in a bowl, add 3 eggs and half a cup of heavy cream. This is the secret to that creamy topping. Season with salt to taste and mix well until smooth. Now let's bring everything together. Mix the rice with the sautéed tuna and onion. Look at this combination. It already makes you want to eat it just like this, right? Transfer everything to a baking dish, spreading it evenly. On top, add the egg mixture, slowly spreading it to cover everything. Add the tomato on top, forming a layer. And now comes the best part, lots of mozzarella on top. Be generous, don't hold back. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, and it's ready. Now tell me, would you make this recipe today or save it for later? Look at this tuna bake, golden on top, creamy inside, and with a flavor you can't imagine. If you liked it, save this video and share it with someone who loves easy and delicious recipes.